Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off.
Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. It's a new vlog. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to V-La-Nessa. Last week was a week. Like, literally, I'm still like trying to get over it because it just happened like yesterday, and no one wants to know the tea. But we won't be doing that in this vlog, or maybe we will. But the thing is, remember that I am presently in the company, and I don't want what I said to be used against me. So, with that being said, before I get into the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to come over here, so, because over here so is where we're doing the weekly vlog for H2B. Yeah, so I know probably most of you want to see like my daily work and all those stuff, but I learned from previous experience, and I try to put in every clip every now and then once it's not going against the company. Okay, so that is that. No, I don't know what's gonna happen today, but I was left to make a decision between yesterday and next Friday, which is 1 week. So I'm just thinking, and like I honestly don't know, and it's just one person practically is letting me hold on. One person, and that is that one person in HR. Yeah, but you know what, we're not going to focus on that. We are going to look forward. It's going to be a good week, and it's going to be a great week. Okay, even though I said this yesterday, and then the day played out negatively, I'm still declaring it's going to be a very good week despite anything that's going on or will go on, because God is with me, and if God is with me, then I don't care who want go against me, because there is greater for me than those who are against me. Okay, sometimes we couldn't know that. So one thing I can say though, I can see that the group is active. Like Uno activate the group, even though the group deactivated already, but the group is very active, and I like that. I like the fact that you guys are helping each other, and me like the fact that you're forced to, because you have to have dynamic, you understand, you have to have disagreement sometimes, so that others can post a look out. Let me see if we can show you. Yeah, so you have to have diversity and everything in all things, so that it can show that things are effective. And the fact that not everybody's going to be agreeable in the group shows that the group is effective, and not everybody's trying to be an hypocrite. Even though you have hypocrites in the group, and right now I'm not even know what I say, me chat for your fault. I just feel like someone, if you come open the vlog, and that is what I'm gonna do. Yes. As you can see, maybe you cannot see it, I didn't sleep well last night because yesterday was just playing over in my mind, and I have a problem where I tend to overthink So things like this deprive me of sleep sometimes. And I must say that these past previous days I've been sleeping real good, like real good. Weeks I've been sleeping real good. I've not been waking up. The only time I wake up is to pee, and I was enjoying that. Last night everything was just playing in my head, and right now I feel tired. I feel like I need to wake up yet. But guess what? I have a 10-hour shift. A 10-hour shift ahead of me. So as usual, I'm here in the car waiting for my roommate. Hey guys, today is Sunday. Like, the week done so quick. Basically I have less than 4 minutes because I wake up late this morning. I really wake up late, but wake up later than my usual time. Because I just need this. You know, when I get the vibes to go to work. I get the vibes there. Like, I enjoy it no more, you understand? It's funny because at one point the same person where I draw them allegation saying that because of us we let someone got fired, but yet still she wants me to be a part of the solution in a different department. Tell me if that makes sense. Me had a problem, but yet still me gonna be a solution. I think she just think herself. So in the long run it gonna all work out, like honestly. Just not get the drive anymore. Cause the thing is, we are the only one that actually get up in the morning, go work 10 o'clock and close 9 o'clock. We are open and we are closed, and we are the other side right them. While you have other people who are complaining about the long hours. So we're the only one them have that would voluntarily do the long hours and not have no day off. Because obviously money we come over here to make. But these days it's like me I said, sure, money is not all. And may I consider looking a transfer. But may I wonder if, like it's a test that we need to complete. Yeah. But the good thing are just some new people here, cause some new management. Yeah, that's it. And the whole dysfunctionality of the organization. So that is that. Anyway, I just want to say that I am okay. I'm just tired because I work every day. 11 hours. So I'm tired. And then like days when me know see me have to edit the vlogs that take a while. So that is that. And today it seems cold, like it was supposed to rain yesterday. I'm not dying for the rain yesterday so we can come home early. But it seems like it will today. Let's see. Yeah, so I just want to tell you and say me alright here, man. And just gotta get some gospel that my soul, you understand? Yeah. Start off the day with God. You get me? So get you back later on. So we come at work today. I want if you know that the machine that cools the food, like, I don't know if you understand, like the line that keeps the prep stuff in, like the onions and the cheese that you're gonna put on the burger or whatever things, is not working. So because of that, maintenance is working on the line, and before that they're working on the heating thing. So right now we can't really sell nothing, and when they fix the eating thing, the menu is limited. We only can sell fry stuff. So that is that today. If you can see, it kind of look like it's going to rain. It's going to be like this until 7 o'clock. Me not mind. Like honestly, this morning I'm just like never in the working mood. Like honestly, like lay down in the bed until about to 9, and normally by 9 o'clock I'm out in the car talking to you guys or just reflecting. So yeah, so just decided to just take a walk because there's nothing much going on, and just want to update you now. I don't think I'm going to be at the deep end much longer because I'm not feeling it anymore. Even the cancer, I don't even know. The sun burn out my face. The sun burn out my face literally, and I can't manage the sun. The hours is long, which I don't mind working long hours, but if you're not happy somewhere and the hours is long, then what sense does that make? So them give me an option to choose, so I'm gonna choose one, and if it is that I have to go back into the main room to Angry Bird, then that is going to be another option. The good thing about that is that to making tips there is faster because the bill is more expensive. The only downfall is that I have to wake up 6 o'clock in the morning. The good thing is that I'll leave early, and another thing is that the hours is not going to be that long. So that is that. So until then, we'll see what's going to happen next Friday, because they give us 1 week. We still consider the transfer. I have not been sending out much resume because we kind of don't want to disappoint one of the HR manager, if you understand. But my peace of mind is more important. So I am thinking very hard and long about my decision, and things can change. As I said, the company is not bad. It's just few people in the company that just make it very hard to bear, overbearing. Yeah. So let's just go back. It is kind of cold. I don't mind because when I wear this jacket. And yeah, so that's the 411 on today. Practically no money I'm gonna really make today. And then our next girl quit. I really quit, but decided not to work in the deep end because of the same long hours. And you know, the girl that really like the girlie, like the first person I like so much, you know, working with, and kind of heartbroken. You make it even worse when I go on work there. Make it worse, I don't want to work there because if she gone, my roommate will go away, and the manager that is there now is going to go away. Why me I say never? The people that I like now go there, why me I say they? So, by the time I go back to the evil when me know. Yeah. So, this morning I didn't even get to look no bone breakfast or carry no salad or so, because for the 2 days straight I've been eating salad because I say too much fried not good, and it's not like some I get any younger. So me wake up later, I never get to do that. So I went in Rackets cafeteria, not really cafeteria, but Rackets outlet to get coffee and a blueberry muffin. That's what I had. I don't know what I'm gonna have for lunch, but today is Sunday, practically cheat day, so I can have anything. But I don't think I'm gonna have anything because I don't want to stimulate my taste bud to that again, so that I continue to have that. Yeah, me I try to stay away from the fatty food and the unhealthy stuff. So I'll talk to you some other time. Okay. Today is so slow. We only had 2 customers, but it was 2 good customers. See, got everybody from my side and I got always from my side. So I don't know why I'm even fret or worry, because basically I make more than we would make during the time that I would be here on a regular day from 2 customers. And really actually me don't want to be busy. I like how it is right now. Where it's like when the sun not shine. Yeah. So I am well contented. Basically just a study the power phone and no, nothing really. Let's see if we can find bathroom because I really want to use the bathroom. That's the family changing room. Maybe I can go in here because it's closed. Like what? Shit. We have locker. I think I'm gonna always come use this bathroom instead than going weird down there. So better come here, so yeah, because in here more clean and better. So yeah, as I said, like my face just burn up. Like you say, look bronze, burn up, burn up, burn up, burn up. Jesus, the sun is not for me. You know like how my face look? You don't like it. Just look burn up. This sun. Anyway, I'm gonna angle my business and come back. Alright guys, like because I said slow bad. And me got to pick up my Nuff self or me gonna eat cheesy fries. Not only cheesy fries, me have queso, as I call it, you know, the melted cheese plus cheddar cheese. And now me feel like you feel like me don't know as I feel, but this is for me, you know, based on what them explain. Feel like your chest have closed off, yeah. That's how me feel. So me feel me just come take some allergy pill just to see if we can maybe stop this cheese thing. Like the other day, I was good. Like I didn't have this one bag of mucus and thing, and then now may have it again. Make my voice even more rough. But yeah, but not to lie though, today go by so fast. I kinda like it because it's so dead, and normally when the place is dead, the time seems like it'll take so long. But this time around, we go by fast. Like right now it's 12 minutes after 5, and I only had like 4 customers. And it's not bad because all of them tip and them tip good, so you make up for all the work we would do on a regular day. Because on a regular day, like these people basically just order like a drink and tip $1, and you have to work so hard to make $20, and we make that from 2 customers. Like make more than that from 2 customers, so that's good. Right guys, so there's this new guy. He came. He's a very nice guy, and funny enough, he born the same day my roommate born, and he might consider for the job, going back to his whole job, because he said that in 2 nights he makes $600 as a busser. So can you imagine what a server and a bartender would make? But guess what? He can do it because guess what? He's a citizen. We can't just get up and leave just like that. We have to go through the process. And honestly, really and truly, we can't bother to go through all that process again because guess what? I have so much stuff. I have to ship down stuff. And that's a whole lot of money. So, no. Well, so we're in what? June? So we have July, August, September, October. 4 months. So I guess I just will tough it out for the next 4 months. Maybe. Yeah, so that's that. Today is pretty slow. we sent home 2 person, and we told 1 person not to come, and we sent 1 person to a different department, and one of the chef left. So it's basically me, my roommate, and 1 chef. Sorry, that's how slow it is. Because we don't need 1 bag of people. It's literally nobody at the pool. Literally nobody. Right now you see me in the car how long? Yeah, nobody in there. And the manager don't show up because him no say we got probably question him of us being here, and him not go and send him home, saying we not see him from morning. Like, but it is what it is. The good thing is that we're getting paid by hour too. So it's not like when you're working as a server, you know, you only get $2, $6, which don't make no sense, but here is over $10. So $10 per hour. It's kind of fine, I guess. Even though I could have done something at home. Anyway, you know, so you don't even realize the first 2 vlogs, like the 2-day vlogs, are always longer than the rest of the week. When I realize that, it's like a week reset. Anyway, thank you guys for, you know, staying around, and thank you guys for all the new subscribers. No, I see all of the new subscribers. Thank you for joining this family here. I'm completely transparent with you, and anything that I don't feel like I should mention, because we're not supposed to overshare certain stuff, especially when you're working at a company. But you know, eventually I will tell you. Yeah, but yeah, this is my life, and thank you for being a part of it. And honestly, this was my goal from starting the channel. My goal was to share my life experience. And someone mentioned that I should do story time, and I think I shouldn't. You know why? Because I've been through so much and overcome so much and went through so much, and even at the same thing being yeah, I think it will help other people, like abuse and all those stuff. Yeah, one day when we have time, let's down and make all of the little jottings, and let's make my videos from that. And that would not be like a vlog, it would be probably story time. So we'll do story time 1, story time 2, you understand? Yeah, and then I'll have my sisters to come on too, and we talk about our experience while growing up, because we had an experience, and for some I think it's going to be fun too, especially with my sisters, because we had so much experience. It's bad, but then we just, like right now, we just laugh at it. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to go back up because it's just my roommate up there, and talk to you later.
Got no issues, it's kinda nice, like running water into a paradise. Got no drama, feels like we arrived. Picture perfect, it don't exist, but when I'm with you, don't have to question it. True devotion. I could fall, I know you got my back. Never thought I would find someone to love like that. Like that, like that. I like that. We laugh till we cry to keep our love intact. Take a ride, turn them back so we can save on gas. Never thought I would find someone to love like that. Like that, like that. I like weekends, never leaving our bed. Office like that, like that. I like that. We laugh till we cry and keep our love intact. Take a ride, turn them back so we can save on gas. Never thought I would find someone to love like that, like that, like that. I like that. How'd you get like that? How'd you get like that?
Guys, that is how slow we are. I managed to wipe off the car. Yeah, I know the car looking like a clean car. There you go, shining clean, no dog, no bird poo, no pollens. But you know, say by tomorrow dirty again. Yeah. Anyway, we're going back up. Alright guys, so going home. Yeah. Hey, you see, from the time we did a clean up the car, we haven't had any customer, and we start packing up, and we basically done 7:30. So it is what it is. Yeah, I'm just saying the greatest feeling is going home early. And honestly, even though they did, me just want it to be like this. Like, I wouldn't mind every day like this, even though we're not gonna make tips. But more than mind, honestly, I wouldn't mind. Place was just calm, relaxing. That's what I like. We need to find one rich man to come married to me, you know? Because the hard life is not for me anymore. I need to be pampered now. Anyway, I'm gonna go home, see if I can probably cook something or wash. But we need to wash anyway because I'm not on white top. Yeah, need to wash. I washed 2 nights ago, but it was just my pants. So now I need to wash the white top. So, I'll see you later or tomorrow. I think it's gonna be tomorrow. Yeah. Hey guys, today is Monday and I am up bright and early. I don't know why I go so early. Because it is 8:24 and I'm supposed to start work at 10 o'clock. I normally drive out 9:30. Now I'm looking in the car 9 o'clock. What the fuck? I've been in the car, like I've been coming to the car earlier, so like from 8 o'clock. So I don't know why I'm so early. Anyway, I carry my laptop, carry lunch and breakfast, and I carry my Crocs because I need to clean up the shoes here. Yeah, so it seems like we're living in the car. Like, look, laptop, everything there, right? So lunch and thing. So basically, I have oats and then lettuce and avocado. I have avocado working, but that is I'm using one I have, and then I'm gonna use cucumber and tomato and like chicken strip, and that will be lunch. Yes, I'm just gonna sit here and do some editing, and I think I need to send out an email because I got information from a lawyer. I'm gonna contact the lawyer, and if I contact the lawyer and everything goes well, it will be beneficial to you guys. And you know me always keeping in the loop. You get me I say? And yeah. So my roommate's still in a bed. Obviously. Like, but I feel even though I had about 5 hours worth of sleep, I still feel like I rest a lot. Like, look at the woman and yarn. Like, even though wake up yet, yeah, I feel like I had enough sleep. So I'm just gonna sit down, edit the vlog. I don't know when I wake up so early for like, I literally don't know when I wake up so early for, but I got some things done. That's good. I did not finish editing the video, I must say. And I'm just waiting to go remind my roommates at 9:31. But we're still early still because it's going to take me more than less than 15 minutes to reach. But it's just weird all the time just run off fast and we just go tackle her. You know, say you sleep up on the phone and she say, don't lock your door, don't lock your room door. The door for outside, I'm lock it. And somebody said to me, say, you know, say you have provoked the girl and you have provoked the girl. But yeah, anyway, we'll be going to work, but before she comes, let me just turn off the computer and save my file. Yeah. The good thing I like about Flimore Wondershare, it automatically saves. So even if the computer shut off or you forget to save, it saves your work for you. Guys, it is almost 12 o'clock and we don't have a chef yet. And we had to turn away so many people. Hey guys, so I don't know what happened, but the day I just feel like it just not in. The day just take long for it done. Like I can't wait. Almost there, but I'm close enough. It's 7:09. I just can't wait for it done. Like literally. Yesterday it was so slow, but the day run by so fast. And today it's not fast, it's not busy enough. And me one there and my roommate. And just can't bother. We have to reach $100. Reach $100, but I can't bother. The stress is real. Like, them give me until Friday, and me honestly make up my mind from 2 days ago. Like, I am so over the sun. We need to get back my color. I can't bother. This morning when we come, they remember this what I tell about yesterday, the cooler. It's still not fixed. Then one of they never have no chef in the morning. The chef have to come 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock come 12 o'clock. But then we open from 10 o'clock and no food couldn't serve until 12 o'clock, which is so, like, basically we stand up not doing nothing. Like, I'm just so over it. Like, honestly, like everybody is over it. It's not even funny. Everybody's over it. Cause even the chef say, yo, she about to just pack up and leave, but I think she gonna do that. Yeah, just over it here. I can't bother. My roommate is annoyed today. Like, you know, in them miserable old people they associate with today. Like, me understand, can't bother. And it's like I don't want to be rude to anybody, but to them I just don't want nobody to talk to me. Like, imagine I come and ask me if you're alright, just go something. And even just no say enough to talk to me. And then the next one, I just turn me back, like literally, cause the one day it's like I don't really have no respect for she. Like, honestly. It sound weird, but I honestly don't. Because you see, when things go down and so for instance one of their own go to them and complain, she would never come to us and ask us our side of the story. But then they call us in meeting, knowing one side of the story. That don't make no sense. You get what I'm saying? So it's like right now, me not see her. Yeah. And then not only that, the one that I was okay with, the one that I told you, asked me if I'm okay. It's like when things was going down, like we were good. And then that day, in a typical morning, it's like him, I keep a distance from me. Like, if I keep distance down, then the time let's keep it same way. Yeah, keep it same way. Like, we Jamaican, well, me know about me no hypocrite, right? And if you feel a way, then come to me and let me know. Nobody keep your distance and then I come now and I be like, say everything is good. No. Yeah. So today is like, no one nobody talk to me, and I just can't wait for the days to just play off. Like, I just can't wait for the 6 months done. Even though it's what, 4 months left, I just can't wait. Can't wait. Like right now it's a joy looking for transfer. Not transfer, but joy looking for extension. Because as I say, I can't bother with the up and down thing. Can't bother. Sometimes I just done out the time myself and hold my own. So right now it is 7 o'clock, we close at 8, and I just don't want to know more of that. I can't be bothered. I cannot be bothered. And I don't like it time me looking at the mirror and how me look, like me ear one do. Me ear one do. My face burn up. Like, more like a tender loving and care. Like, if you look at my other videos comparing to now, it's like you can see that like just compare or burn up maybe. Like me burn right up. I mean just can't bother, honestly can't bother. Can't bother. The video you're gonna name me can't bother. I can't bother, I swear. One thing about this company, them have good branded shirt. Nike company, you understand? And them have a whole lot of uniforms. Them uniforms are on point as they come to management. Anyway, I came to use the loo, so I'll see you later. Yes, guys. Today is Tuesday and just take the day off. I just take the day off. Like, I just emailed the FNB manager and I was like, I'm not coming in today because I am tired. Literally, that's what I said. And I can show you, that's what I said. Sometimes you have to know your rights. And I know I'm not in the wrong. I've been working 3 weeks straight without a day off and my body drained. Working in the sun, I know, easy thing. So I just message him. Do you want to be stiff naked? And then he realized he can't compete because me have alright, but I'll pick up with you back after me drop my roommate at work. Alright guys, so I just dropped my roommate at work. Actually, not even know it feel not going to work today. And yes, me know we all about the money for stacking up the Kyle this summer. But hey, your health comes first. Like, I don't know if you realize, it's like before I start get worse and worse, even though we have worse, right? But to get worse and worse per day because we're not getting enough sleep, not getting enough rest. My eyes, I get redder and redder every day. Like, me literally the dream. As I said before, I'm working in the sun. And you know, sun, once you go in the sun, if you go in the sun for half an hour, by the time you come home, you want to sleep. So can you imagine doing that constantly every day? Like, it's too much. It's too much. Plus, I haven't had a good meal. Like, the last time I cooked was 2 days ago. I cooked the dumpling and liver, and the reason why is because we did leave work early and we said, no man, we need a good meal. But before that, we have not had a good meal in a while. Like, literally all we've been eating are just fries, and I brought salad, and I made salad at work 2 days. Yesterday I brought salad, and I didn't do it because the chicken nuggets they done, because I like my salad with a little bit of protein, you understand? And I never ate that. Yesterday, what did I eat? A quesadilla, that's all. And I can't be constantly eating cheese because the cheese always affect me. But cheese nice, but that's the only thing that is there that I would like fries, and eating fries, healthy neither. So it's been quesadilla, fries and chicken nuggets. That's it. That's all I've been eating, and what I bring, if I bring anything. So that's what I take today. Reset, cook my rice and peas and my chicken and whatever I need to cook, and just fill up my tank halfway, because we know that I go full, because tomorrow again I go want to stay in, but I go push tomorrow, you understand? And matter of fact, today Tuesday, Wednesday I place, they're all that busy, and just yeah, it's that kind of week, that kind of day. So I'm just gonna do that. I'll just edit, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So guess what? As I said, I emailed the manager and he was trying to play hardball on me. But it's because me know me, am I right? And no matter what them do, they could have report me till thy kingdom come. Me know say we have rights, right? And the J1 they may not know, but from J1 days me know my rights. So me know all of the rights that we need to know, right? And I've been working 2 weeks without a day off, without lunch. Right? So them can't get in a trouble. So then badda test me. After he realized he can't contest me, him say, alright, get some rest. That's all him have to say. But don't you know that you should report it hours before work? Let me know But it's because me know, like, me didn't just set in my mind, so I'm going to tell him 9 o'clock. Work start 10 o'clock. And yes, me know I'm supposed to do it 2 o'clock, 2 hours before. I'm just going to wake up. Yeah, but me didn't tell myself, so I'm going to tell him 9 o'clock because he have enough time from 9. Because even though we go to work 10 o'clock, we're not open until 11. And nobody really buy food at the time. So they have enough time to really replace me. So that's that. I hope my roommate is okay at work today. Anyway, I'll catch you all later on in the day. Guys, I've been in the bed from morning. It is now 3:34 and I set the alarm for 5 o'clock to get up and start cooking. But we just want to sleep, be tired, we don't know, like honestly, we don't know if I call out tomorrow. We feel like we call out tomorrow, I swear. Tired. And if I don't know, me not like sleep a day, especially when the sun is out. Me not like to sleep, especially when the place bright like this. Cannot sleep a day. And me I try. And I doze off for about an hour, then the phone ring. But I just feel burnt out. I feel like I can't go no more. Like literally. The struggle is real, I swear. But it's good. I know what I really like. Well, matter of fact, somebody messaged me outside of the group. One of my friend messaged me on WhatsApp asking if me okay because I'm see where I must say, I need prayer. But me I say, me I ask her she in the group, she say yes, but me never really know so she in the group. So me I say probably a long time we not ask for prayers. And me just go into the group only if you say that you guys requesting to pray for me. Hey, I love one, you know? I swear. I couldn't put my strength to know you understand. I appreciate you guys. But because I don't work. Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna see if we can get one more hour, sorry. It's now like minutes to 8 and I'm gonna go for my roommate. I try calling her, but I'm not getting her. And normally around this time we already done pack up, almost done pack up. So I just use my initiative and go for her because we know on a regular we would done everything and me know she more proactive than me. So I'm not gonna make sure wait. You understand? So I just go there and if I have to wait, I wait. Cooked rice and peas and chicken. That was awesome. I was literally in the bed the whole day. Like all day, even though I didn't get to sleep and I still feel drained. Like I still feel like I need another day. Like honestly. So I'm just gonna just go for her. And if I have to wait, I just wait. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do.
You got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy, you like that. Don't back down, no you talk back. Keep it spicy, that's a fact. We on the right track, yeah. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove.
Guys, me reach and we go up there, my roommate. Just got carrying the keys, so I'm gonna come down and so forth, and she said today run smooth and she make the most money today because obviously nobody else needed to make it with her. Yeah, so that is good because now we show them say, yo, we don't need no one bag of silver. The fact that the bartender alone could have do it. You understand? What says two person? Like, anyway, tomorrow midnight again. Today was like a good day not to take because it never so sunny. Should I take tomorrow instead? But I hope tomorrow cloudy too, because I can't believe the sun is my problem. The sun is my problem. But I'm glad that she had a good day today, and we never make it hard for her. She said that the kitchen run good, the runner run good, everything run good. So that is good. I'm glad that it went smooth. I didn't just generally tired. I was genuinely just tired and over it. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Good morning.
You don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets.
Wednesday? Yeah, today is Wednesday. And I don't want to go work today. No, honestly, I don't want to go to work. But guess what? I didn't go yesterday. So that means I missed close to $300. And if I do that today, that means I dash $500 down the drain. And I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. Because even though if I had day off, would I still work out to be the same? But the good thing is that when I get a day off yet, so I have to grab when I can grab. You get what I'm saying? So this week I work 6 days a week. And yeah, so next week I don't know what's gonna happen. So we just can't give up a day. It is a little bit after 8, so my roommate is still in bed. I don't know why I keep on I get up so early, but I get up early this morning because I couldn't sleep no more, and I'm going to do some editing. Plus me I do this video, and yeah, so it said it's gonna be cloudy. The sun is already out, so I don't know why to say it's gonna be cloudy. Monday is going to be raining. So I think we're gonna have a thunderstorm Monday. So you know, say if I'm working at the pool gonna be closed because pool can't open for a thunderstorm. You get what I'm saying? So we can't miss the day here. I release my videos during this week. That's still how I nearly get fired. So if you have not checked it out, go and check it out. And H2B can be overwhelming. That's when I was going through my transition to this job. You understand? And it is still overwhelming. And there's going to be a part 3 to that. We honestly need to go back and watch it over to see what I actually said, so that I can make the final, not really the final, but make a part 3. I started yesterday, but I don't know if I saw what I need to say. Yeah. And there's gonna be part 4 and 5, but you know, after this whole drama here. And we see a whole lot of subscribers. Welcome. Hey guys, all who there from day one, tell the people them welcome in the comment. Welcome them in the comment. And yeah, all the best in looking for your job. All the best. When you land one, let me know. But think we said this in the previous clip, so I don't know why I may say it again. But I just say all the best because I wish you nothing but the best. And even though over here it says not bread and roses, it's better to take shit over here than take it in Jamaica, because I know say I get paid for the shit over here. So don't make my video discourage you, because if it never worth it, I wouldn't be here. You get what I'm saying? Because I can't go back to Jamaica. It's not like say I pay rent or anything and me save enough money. You get what I'm saying? But I still have a goal. I still want one house on the hills. I still want a nice car. You get me? I still need to build up this YouTube thing so that I can live comfortable when I'm back home. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, I still need to get the business, my business. Right? So we need enough capital to do all of that. So even though I save some money, is not enough. The money that I save is just to sustain me to come back. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So so today I am hoping that today's gonna be a good day. So this you know what? Nothing I'm gonna talk about it. I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm not talk about it. I'm not gonna lie, the sun on my face looking lovely. Glowing. But I'm just gonna get I'm gonna edit my vlog because that means I have 2 more days and I cannot allow it to back up on me, even though I'm on the right track right now, so that I can release it this Saturday. So you guys can get it this Saturday because I need to finalize everything the Friday so that it can go out, because remember I work in the morning, so I have to schedule it from the night before just in case any mishap happen. So I think me releasing it on a Saturday is a good day. Yeah, because I finish on a Friday and I start back on a Saturday. So anyway, guys, guess what? So me have one T7i Canon camera, right? I bought it because I had planned to vlog with it. But when me think about it, right, the camera too damn big, like it big for me carry it around heavy, right? So I'm thinking that I'm gonna sell it and buy one Sony ZV or VZ F1, one of them camera there, because it's more lightweight and easy for carry around, right? Yeah. So so I was thinking about that. Not only that, I also have pocket thing, what do you call it? Pocket camera thing. I mean, I use them, so many. You know why I'm buying them? You know? No, why I'm buying them? Because the thing is, the one that is lightweight, but it's just so small. Like, I can't please people, you know. But I feel like I need to sell the Canon, or if I just buy one camera bag, put everything in there, and just travel with it, so I can have it like to take pictures or so forth. Like, I don't know what to do. Let me know what I should do, because the thing is, the camera, I can do business with it because I can do photography and then use Photoshop or edit, you get me, and then sell pictures. So you know what, can we just done now, please? Anyway, today not so bad, but there's another meeting about the car. Am I the problem? I want to know if I'm the problem. Yo, like, honestly, if me didn't know, say this was a club and it's so far, like we live so far from the workplace, I wouldn't take it. Like, honestly, I wouldn't come. I mean, even though I didn't last minute, like, I wouldn't come. But you see, experience teaches wisdom. Next time, I'll ask all the questions. And the thing is, not in the interview, they make it seem so nice. Like, oh, we have 4 vehicles, and I ask if you have driver's license, and I say, oh, tip this, tip that, and then never say it was a club. Like, you never know, say it was a club. Like, no, me know. And then I said, do you have any questions? Yes, we have a whole heap of questions. So I just want the 4 months, the 5 months just finished. Like, honestly, I just can't wait for it done. Can't wait. Can't wait, honestly. As I said, the place is not a bad place, but can't bother. Can't bother. I just want to go to work and not feel think about nothing. You understand? I just want to go to work, make the money, and go back home. I don't want to do work too long. I don't want to wonder when is my day off. I don't want to wonder about getting to work and all this stuff. Like, I don't want them added stress there to me. Anyway, so that burned me out. I don't want to be beaten, like burnt by the sun. I don't want that. I don't want white state. Then if you get no darker. Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday. And it seems like it was raining last night, and it seems like it's gonna rain today. I wouldn't mind, and I like the fact that it looks cloudy because I just can't manage the sun. can't manage the son. And always I hear me, I say, I can't manage the son, I can't manage. I cannot manage the son. So, I got news yesterday, and I don't know how to feel about it because I never wish bad for people, right? So, one of the person that was giving me a hard time, I heard got fired. No, it could be because of me, because last week we had a meeting, and basically they draw me up in the meeting saying that me this, me that, me that, and me make somebody quit and blah blah blah. And all of this happened because of the same girl that I'm talking about. Now, when I went into the meeting with someone else, I said to them that all of this started because I didn't want to lie for the person. And then the lady asked me what kind of lie she wanted you to lie for them. And I told her, and I don't know, I honestly don't know if that's the reason. But if that's the reason, I honestly feel away. And my roommate has saw me not feel away because when them dig 2 hole, if they dig 2 and she get what she deserve, blah 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 blah. But on the other hand, when people come on program, it is not so easy for them to get fired and then get another job. You understand? So I don't want that for nobody, and I wouldn't want that on me, so I'm not gonna wish that for anybody. So I kind of feel away. Like, I feel, even though she didn't give me a living hell, like, I never want that for her, honestly. Anyway, I hear, I'm not really sure if I say go. Me only I hear. Funny enough, I haven't seen her at work recently, and I thought that it's because of the whole incident before that she just decided not to come and work at Deep End, you understand? So, yeah, but only hope she not get fired. And I only hope if she does, it's not because of me. Yeah. Because that's something heavy to carry. Anyway, I'm just gonna sit in here, edit some videos, because tomorrow Friday and the video needs to go tomorrow. And yeah, majority of it edit already. I put whatever I need to put in. So I'm going to put in today. And I think I missed a clip from yesterday. No, the day before yesterday. So I need to put that in from the other phone. So I'm just going to do that right now. And yeah, I'll pick up with you later on. Hey guys, so today is Friday, the last day of the vlog. Yay! I don't know why I'm so excited. Like, I'm always excited for the last day of the vlog. I feel like this whole strain come off of me. I guess because, you know, we get the majority of the work done, as in the vlog, to edit the vlog and everything. So, and then starting over, giving me a little breather, then I can do the editing again. Yesterday the place was so foggy, like the smoke from Canada, I don't reach over here, so I wish we could have just flown out of here and reach anywhere we want to go. Like the smoke, yeah, but the smoke reached over here and it was very foggy, but we worked anyway. It was extremely slow yesterday. I don't know if it's because of the smoke or it's just that people never come out. It was extremely slow. And I also had this girl to train. She's from Mexico. She's a J1 and she's going to be here 1 year. So she's on training program. She's going to be 1 year and she seems nice. Good body, good face girl. Done nice. I'm going to have a meeting today to see whether I'm going to stay here in the Deep End for the rest of the summer, or I'm going to go to Birdwood because that's where I'm going to choose if they ask me, or I'm going back to the mill room if they're going to forcefully tell me to go there. Yesterday when I was telling you that someone got fired and I think it was me, well, I found out that it's because of me, and it's not because I did anything wrong. It's because I was being honest and I told the truth. And honestly, I didn't want, and like I that was not my intention for her to get fired. I kind of feel a way about it, and everybody else I'm not supposed to feel a way because sometimes people are free suffer the consequences of their action. And my roommate said she dig a hole, she fall night, she forget to dig 2, and yada. So we kind of feel away, but as I say, as something that she did, and me never like expect nothing to come out of it because it happened like a month ago, and I kept it a secret, but I just never tell the lie that she wanted me to tell. Like, I was like, hey, I don't want no part of this. And the reason why I even brought it up in the meeting the other day is because this girl was trying to make my experience a living hell. Like, everything she complained, she went and she bawled, that crocodile tears, line and all this stuff. And I just had enough of it. I'm saying, you know what? The reason why this girl has been giving me a hard time at work is because I didn't want to lie for her. And then they asked me what was the lie, and then just be honest about it. Never know said I'm gonna reach to this. Sorry it did. But if you shit it yourself, it's long night. You know, if it's long night, but yeah, you get what I say. So I'm just gonna put it in this final clip in the laptop. I may close it out later. I don't know. Just in case. Thank you for watching this weekly vlog. Tell me what you got from it. Drop a comment. I love the comments them. Thank you for subscribing. I see all of the new people them. I mean also say 40% are on our watch and not subscribing. Like, it's free for subscribe now. It's free for subscribe. You're not gonna take nothing out of you. So just subscribe. Share it. I see people are shared. Love that. Love that for me and you. Love that. So we have a little community. Tell people to come over and because over here, so this is where we talk about H2B lifestyle and all those stuff. I'm gonna share my life. I am 100% what should I say, transparent and yeah, me now water down nothing. The only thing I'm not gonna share is like things that like the company name, like my current location, because those stuff is like oversharing. Stay tuned for the next video and subscribe. Bye.